Hi, I'm Clyde with Powerwash.com, and I want to introduce to you our Maverick 12-volt soft wash system. The system is set on a sturdy aluminum frame that makes it rugged, durable. It protects all the internal components, and it also makes it easier to mount to a trailer or a skid or a flatbed, wherever you want to use this. The system is powered, or can be powered, by a 12-volt marine-grade battery. Now, that battery is sold separately, but it would be stored right here in this watertight battery box. Simple to turn the system on, just a quick switch right here allows the power to start flowing, and the system is driven by this 12-volt diaphragm pump. This pump is capable of producing 7 gallons per minute of flow at about 100 psi. Now, moving over here, we have a flow jet accumulator tank to complement this 12-volt diaphragm pump. The accumulator tank helps smooth out the flow so that the pump is not constantly cycling on and off. You're getting a nice steady stream when you pull the trigger. From the accumulator tank, we move up, and over here we have a bypass or a valve here. What this valve allows you to do is redirect your flow from your hose reel to a second hose so that you can actually use this machine to mix your solutions while you're on a job site. And then when you're ready to start washing, you flip this valve over and you can start sending your solution through this hose reel. Now, I want to point out this is a stainless steel hose reel with 200 feet of ag hose. All the fittings are also stainless steel, and we've got quick couplers here so that it easily snaps onto the gun and the wand that are provided with this machine. It comes with a PVC gun with a nice trigger lock and a nice 2-foot long wand to help keep the spray away from you. And at the end of the gun, we always include a Jrod. This is 4 of the most commonly used nozzles in a soft wash system. So we've got our Assassin nozzle, which is a 0-degree nozzle that creates a laminar flow that allows you to spray solution way up high, up to about 30 feet with this machine. And then we have 3 of the other common nozzles that are used for more closer range and also rinsing down wider angles. So the Jrod is a fantastic tool. It allows you to very quickly switch between nozzles and keep on working. And again, all of it comes with quick couplers so that it's easy to snap things on and off, get to work quickly. So once again, this is our Maverick soft wash system. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-433-2113. We're happy to help answer your questions about power washing, soft washing, get you all the equipment and supplies you need to get your business going.